Morning, Alex.
Good morning.
Great Sandy Straits, day one. Not looking too good. The weather forecast doesn't look too great for today so far. But I think the rain band is about halfway through at the moment, so hopefully it will clear up a bit later on. Gary's anchorage is somewhere over that way. I think we're, well, that's where we're camping tonight, so we'll make it there pretty early, I think. Unfortunately, under motor. Somewhere about here. And that could be the Reef Islands. I think I'm about to get wet again. The rain has passed and the sun is out. Now we're at Fraser. There's a dingo over there. Set up camp for the first night. I'm in a hammock and Alex is in a swag for the night. Dinner time. We've got the chef here using the Deb potato with onion. With a few peas. We've got sausages over there.
Vegetarian sausages, you must say.
Oh, vegetarian sausages. Very good.
Yes.
Yum. And I've got some rice and some beef teriyaki. This is sailing. Alex has got a reef, I've got a reef. Plus I've put the storm jib up rather than having a genoa. Bit of a breeze, it's great. You're having morning tea. We've changed direction. We're now heading towards S22 mark. Then we'll hopefully have lunch at Uonga. We made it to Kingfisher, a bit late for lunch, but anyway, we're here. Here we are anchoring at Kingfisher Bay Resort. We thought we'd anchored out far enough, but the tide was still on its way out. We had lunch and this is what we came back to. The boats were high and dry, and it was probably another couple of hours before the tide was going to turn to float the boats again. So we decided to go for a walk. We found some ruins, the old boilers from an old sawmill that used to be up here. McKkenzies jetty ruins. This is what remains of the jetty. They used to drag timbers out of Fraser Island, load them onto boats, send them across. We eventually made it off the beach. It was dark, so we went to the nearest spot that was a bit protected from the wind. We had an ongoing wind, so we found this little creek and camped for the night there. It was beautiful and calm, out of the wind, a beautiful spot for spend a night. Porridge for breakfast, and we're away.
Which side is better, on the other side of you?
campground for a morning tea break, check out the ruins of the jetty that was there, and check out the campground for possible future camping spot. The ruins of the jetty. Access to the campground was pretty rough. You'd have to climb up and carry all your camping gear up. And we're off. It was pretty windy, lots of tacking. Another beautiful morning. There's light breeze, moon's still up, and we're away. That's pretty fucking full. Last stretch, first marker there,